SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enlarge the screen on an iPhone 13. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to enlarge your iPhone 13 screen, then you need to change an option called Display Zoom. You can do this by opening the Settings app, scrolling down and choosing the Display and Brightness option, scrolling to the bottom of this menu and tapping Display Zoom, and then you can select the larger text option. Now you'll tap Done at the top right corner of the screen, and then you can touch the Use Zoomed button. Now the screen's going to go black for a second while it switches to the zoomed mode, and now you can see that the stuff on the screen is larger, which should make it easier for you to read the content that's on your iPhone screen.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.